Welcome to the land of sun-rising Japan. Where tradition and modernity walk side by side. Let's explore the beauty of Japan. Tokyo, a lively city full of lights. The world's largest metropolitan area. Here modern technology blend with tradition. Mount Fuji, Japan's natural masterpiece. This majestic mountain is a spiritual symbol of Japan. It showcases unique beauty in every seasons. Japanese culture, a blend of beauty, simplicity, and grace. Traditional kimono, tea ceremonies, and respectfulness. Centuries-old traditions reflected in the temples and festivals. Japan's education system is among the best in the world. Students are taught discipline, respect, and hard work. Clean classroom and modern facilities enhance learning. Every spring, Japan is covered in the breathtaking beauty of cherry blossom. These flowers symbolize Japanese culture, love, and beauty. Thousands of tourists visit Japan every year just to witness this view. Japan's mountain regions are home to stunning natural waterfalls. These views bring a sense of peace, freshness, and nature glory. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more amazing countries.